Steel Sheet Pile Rehabilitation using SPiRe FRP. The Port of West St. Mary, serving coastal commerce in the Franklin, Louisiana area with reliable access to the U.S. Intercoastal Waterway since 1976, chose QuakeWrap and FRP Construction for repairs to a channel bulkhead experiencing serious corrosion. The bulkhead's original steel sheet piles were suffering from age and deterioration, as were the original timber bumpers that provided protection to the commercial seawall. Preparation for the repair work included cleaning the existing bulkhead by removing excess corrosion, as well as the existing rotted timber bumpers. The patent-pending SPiRe FRP panels were manufactured at the QuakeWrap facility in Tucson, Arizona, and shipped to the repair location at the Port of West St. Mary. Before installation, crews from FRP Construction installed the stainless steel J-bolts for securing the FRP panels in place. Crews also installed corrosion-resistant FRP rebar cages to add even more strength to the bulkhead. Both the FRP rebar and the SPiRe panels are impervious to the corrosion that had deteriorated this bulkhead over the years. The project included a design package written specifically for this repair by QuakeWrap engineers. The design outlined the details needed by installers, which included Texas-based commercial divers' in-depth diving services. The design called for the void spaces between the new SPiRe panels and the existing sheet pile to be filled with a rebar cage and non-shrink grout. A special plug was created above the mud line at the bottom of the SPiRe panels to hold the grout in place. Horizontal timber slats were installed per design instructions to provide temporary shoring and extra support for the newly installed SPiRe panels while grout was being placed. A concrete cap beam was also formed and poured at the top of the bulkhead to enclose the installation. Repair work was completed when 15 timber piles were driven in to add extra protection to the newly installed SPiRe panels. For more information on the patent-pending SPiRe sheet pile repair system, visit our website. We also invite you to visit our website and become familiar with the other solutions we provide for repair of piles, buildings, bridges, pipelines, and tanks.